keeping your home cool and comfortable in a warm climate can be a challenge, especially during long, hot seasons. For homeowners in Dallas, managing indoor temperatures efficiently is a top priority. One upgrade that can make a noticeable difference is installing modern bay windows. While known for their beauty and ability to enhance space, today's bay windows are also designed with advanced features that help reduce heat gain and improve overall comfort. One of the biggest ways modern bay windows reduce heat gain is through advanced glass technology. Unlike older windows that allow significant heat to pass through, newer bay windows often include double or triple pane glass with low emissivity coatings. These coatings are designed to reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. In Dallas, where sunlight can be intense, this feature helps keep indoor spaces cooler without sacrificing brightness. Insulated glass units also play a major role in temperature control. The space between the panes is typically filled with insulating gases that reduce heat transfer. This means less outdoor heat enters your home, helping maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. As a result, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy bills over time. Another factor that contributes to reduced heat gain is proper window sealing. Modern bay windows are designed to fit tightly within the frame, preventing air leaks that can let warm air inside. Older windows often develop gaps over time, allowing heat to enter and cool air to escape. By upgrading to new bay windows with improved sealing, homeowners in Dallas can significantly reduce unwanted heat infiltration. The design of bay windows also supports better temperature management. Because they extend outward and consist of multiple panels, they allow for strategic placement that can help control how sunlight enters your home. With the right positioning, bay windows can maximize natural light while minimizing direct heat exposure during the hottest parts of the day. This balance helps create a bright yet comfortable living environment. Ventilation is another important benefit. Many bay window configurations include operable side panels that can be opened to allow fresh air to circulate. In the evenings or during milder weather, this natural airflow can help cool your home without relying solely on air conditioning. Improved ventilation also helps reduce indoor heat buildup, contributing to overall comfort. In addition to performance, modern bay windows are often paired with energy-efficient frames made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass. These materials resist heat transfer and maintain their shape even under high temperatures. In Dallas, where prolonged heat can affect building materials, choosing durable, energy-efficient frames ensures long-term performance and consistent comfort. Another way bay windows help reduce heat gain is by supporting the use of window treatments. Their unique design allows for creative shading solutions such as custom blinds, shades, or curtains that can further block out sunlight when needed. This added layer of protection gives homeowners more control over how much heat enters their space throughout the day. Reducing heat gain also has a direct impact on indoor comfort. When less heat enters your home, rooms feel cooler and more consistent in temperature. This eliminates hot spots near windows and creates a more enjoyable living environment for you and your family. In a climate like Dallas, this improvement can make a significant difference in daily comfort. Energy efficiency is closely tied to this comfort. By limiting heat transfer, modern bay windows help reduce the workload on your HVAC system. This not only lowers energy consumption but also extends the life of your cooling equipment. Over time, the savings and reduced maintenance needs add to the overall value of your investment. Beyond their practical benefits, bay windows also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Their elegant design adds depth and character, while the increased natural light makes your space feel more open and inviting. This combination of beauty and functionality makes them a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade. In the end, modern bay windows offer more than just visual appeal. They provide a smart solution for reducing heat gain in Dallas homes. With advanced glass technology, improved sealing, and energy-efficient materials, they help create a cooler, more comfortable living space. For homeowners looking to improve both comfort and efficiency, bay windows are a valuable and worthwhile investment.